How to find inspiration for trending reels without having to scroll for hours on Instagram. Go to your Instagram bio and tap on professional dashboard. If you're not seeing this, it means you do not have an Instagram business account. So just go and change your account to a business account. From there, scroll down to inspiration. At the top of the screen, you will see Reels, Audio, and Accounts. So you can see trending Reels, but you can also see trending audio. And also, if you see any audio on your Instagram account when you're creating Reels or Stories and it has the arrow, that means that it is currently a trending audio. And the number next to it is how many accounts are using that audio at the time. The first section of content is content that's similar to yours, which isn't super helpful because you're already creating content like that. The next one is what's important is popular with your followers. So these are reels that your followers, like your actual followers, are liking and engaging with. So that can give you inspiration of what you want to kind of create content like, or recreate any of these reels if they speak to you or work for your business. The next section is below, which is suggested for you, and a lot of times these are more of the actual trending reels, like the ones that are being recreated. You'll see one of here is the ding one, which is like that 2-second reel that we all recreated. So you can use these as inspiration or you can fully recreate them. So let's click on this one here. You can go into it and you can save it. So to save it, press the 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner and then click save. And I've created a create saved folder, which I just save all the reels that I want to recreate, but you can also save the audio. So if you go into it and click on the original audio, you'll see that that audio pops up, and you can see everyone else who is using this audio for their reels as well for more inspiration, or to just kind of check out what's going on. And then you can use that audio and create a reel right from this account, or you can save it. So if you save it, you hit the save button in the top right hand corner, or you can click use audio and then create your own reel right from here. Having a saved folder of ideas and trending reels is great for when you want to post, but really don't know what to post. I hope this helps you create more content. I put out new videos like this every Thursday. Hit subscribe so you don't miss a video. See you then.